All right, so here we have a 2004 Nissan Titan. We have a power steering leak, and we've traced it down to our return line for the power steering to the reservoir. So that is from pipe to reservoir. All right, so we got our part from Auto Parts Direct to You. All right, so the first thing that I've done is I've already put a catch can underneath. I have some of these hose clamps. A hose clamp just like this one is down below. I'm going to go ahead and take that one down first. That's right at the frame rail so that all the fluid will drain into my catch can. I can kind of keep it from being too much of a mess, and then we'll proceed to the next one. All right, so I just squeezed the clamp together and kind of walking it back up the hose. All right, I'm going to do the same thing here. I still haven't taken the line off the pipe, but I'm just loosening my clamps. All right, and so I'm going to go ahead and pull the bottom one off and then just try to drain it into my catch can down there. I'm just going to go ahead and put a little paper towel, something to catch any extra fluid. We want to kind of keep as much as we can off of the belt. All right, so we're drained out. We'll go ahead and pull the bottom off. I'm just going to remove my clamps to transfer them over to my new hose. All right, and our part that we got from Auto Parts Direct to You, we just want to make sure that they are the same bends, everything works out. All right. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and place my clamps on my hose. All right, I'm going to kind of run them down a little bit so that I can slip them on and then put my clamp back on and try to get them in a good position. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put the bottom one on first and then the top one. Now I'm going to go ahead and put my clamps back in the position. All right, so now we want to go ahead and top off our reservoir. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and start the vehicle up, let it circulate, and then we'll adjust our level. All right, so we went ahead and we started it up. We turned it from stop to stop. All right, so now we'll check our fluid. So we went from being at the max to just below the minimum. So now we'll adjust our level. All right, so we'll just put the car up in the air and clean off a little bit of the residue, and then we'll take it for a test drive.